Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let's look at this maths question. Simplify the expression and leave your answer in a positive index notation. So you have to simplify this whole expression. So 2y to the power of 9. So we multiply this one in. So it's minus 7. So 4 we multiply by 5 over 3. We get 20 over 3. 5 times 4 is 20. So it's 20 over 3. Then 8 to the power of 5 over 3. We get 32, because 8 to the power of 5, then you cube root it. Then y square, you also multiply by power of 5 over 3. So 5 times 2 is 10. So you get 10 over 3. Divided by 8. Okay, x 5 to the power of 0, okay, will be 0. Okay, now here, 2 times 13 divided by 8, it will be 8. Y to the power of 9. So you have another y power here. So it'll be 9 minus 10 over 3. We get 17 over 3. Minus 7 for x. And x we have 20 over 3. So minus 7 plus 20 over 3. So we'll have minus 1/3. Okay, hence the answer is 8. Y to the power of 17 over 3. This one we bring down. Divide by x to the power of 1/3. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.